Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Luvwin hair. You guys have seen them on my channel before. I've worked with them. They have amazing quality hair, okay? So the first unit I did for them was more so like a kinky edges natural texture type unit, but this one is super versatile. Not that those first ones weren't. This one is just like, it's not mimicking necessarily like kinky hair. This one you can kind of play around with. It's a 13 by 4, I believe. I'll have all the specs down below because I do not want to quote you the wrong thing. I believe it's a 13 by 4, but like I said, I'll have the direct link to this unit as well as a few other units in the description box below. But yeah, so far I love Luvwin. Okay, I love them. Look at this, flowy, bouncy, soft, shiny. You see the shine? I didn't put no oil in this. This hair is just naturally soft and shiny. Like, I might even go to work tonight. But it comes in this cute little bag right here. And with your wig, you will get an edge band. You'll get a bonnet. You will also get a thing showing their sales. So make sure you check this out. All their information on here. A cute little edge thing, which I'm pretty sure I can do something with this. Oh, my head is so big. Hold on. Let me see what we can do with this. Dress it up and make it real for me. That's cute. That is so cute. And then what else comes with this? Gotta love an edge brush. And this one is actually like a comb too. I've never had one sent like this, where it has like this on the end as well. So it's like a comb and the edge thing. Okay, okay. But yes, you guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair like a 9. It is super fire, super flowy. We did cut a few layers in it. It was pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I did go in and bleach it for about 20 minutes just for, you already know, I just gotta do it. It's for me. It's not for y'all, it's for me. And then we also went through and plucked just a little bit, but I got tired of plucking, so I stopped, and I realized it really wasn't needed and I was just plucking for no reason. So I stopped. But this is the final look. It's super full. This is all the hair to the front. And yeah, I think this is cute AF, and it's long. I'm 5'8" and it's going past my boobs. So I'm loving it, okay? Yeah. But thank you again, Luvwin. Thank you so much, Luvwin, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to see how I melted this glueless wig with no edge band, I did not use an edge band. So yeah, I did not use an edge band. Usually I'll tie it around the ends and do that. If you want to, you can, but I just wanted to see what it was gonna give without doing that, and it gave. Okay, but if you'd like to see how we achieve this super cute bombshell highlighted wig, then just keep watching.